Did you know that your eyes can process information in as little as 13 milliseconds? That's faster than any computer. But what's even more mind-blowing is that the human eye can detect over 10 million different colors. This is because we have 3 types of color receptors in our retina, one for red, one for green, and one for blue. When these receptors work together, they allow us to see a vast spectrum of colors that most animals can't perceive. But here's the really shocking part. The human eye can also detect movement in the peripheral vision, even without directly focusing on it. This is because of something called the blind spot in the retina. It's a small area where the optic nerve connects to the eye, and it doesn't have any photoreceptors. However, our brain is clever enough to fill in the gaps and allow us to see what's happening around us, even if we're not directly looking at it. In fact, our brain can even process information from our peripheral vision before our central vision. This is why we often react to things before we consciously see them. It's like our brain has a sixth sense that warns us of potential dangers before we even realize what's happening. But the most surprising fact about human eye anatomy is that our eyes can distinguish between over 600 shades of gray. This is because of the tiny little photoreceptors in our retina called rods and cones. The rods are sensitive to low light levels and help us see in the dark, while the cones are sensitive to different wavelengths of light and allow us to see colors. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember that your eyes are some of the most powerful and complex organs in your body.